Hello students, this is Shweta Tiwari. Today again we are going to restart lesson 3, animal senses. In previous portion I already taught you about pheromone, bees, butterflies, how they are using chemoreceptors, how shark can smell blood in the ocean, even a single drop of blood. Now I am going to teach you about the dogs. बच्चे, dogs are used for sniffing. Sniffing means आपने देखा होगा वो साउंड करके सूंघते हैं. They are making a special kind of sound to smell something. That is called sniffing. And there this sniffing is a very sharp sense of smell. A breed of dogs means a kind of dog which is called bloodhounds. They are able to trace a person who has done any crime. So by smelling that criminal's body smell or his clothes or anything else which he had used, dogs can recognize them or the dogs can trace them. That is why police are using dogs to detect dangerous things like drugs, bomb, or as I taught you about the criminals. To find criminals, bombs, drugs, police departments are using dogs. Next is sense of sight. Children, we know nicely that along with the humans, other animal, insect, all the animals are having eyes to see. Here we are going to learn about the dragonfly first of all. They are having compound eyes with 30,000 lenses. What do you mean by compound eyes and 30,000 lenses? Compound eyes means, children, as we are having one single eye, but dragonfly or other insects are having compound eyes, यानी उनकी आंखें 30,000 lenses से मिलकर बनी है. We are having one lens inside our one eye. हमारी एक आंख के अंदर एक ही लेंस होता है जिसका हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. But these insects are having 30,000. I am talking about dragonfly. They are having 30,000 lenses to see या to find its food. Birds are also knows for their vision. In all the animals, birds are having better sense of sight to find their food. Sometimes to save themselves from their prey also. In the picture you can see, bachche, one eagle is catching a mouse. Maybe you have seen in the sky that eagles are flying very high. If an eagle is flying a mile away in the sky, then also it can spot its prey. वो एक मील दूर से भी एक माइल दूर से भी अपने शिकार को पहचान सकता है. Because they have bulging eyes. Bulging eyes means their eyes are coming out on their head, which help them to see nicely their prey. Children, eagles, this sticking out or bulging eyes are helping it to find its food from very far away in the sky. These eyes are helping them to judge the distance and speed of other birds which are flying along with it in the sky. नहीं तो वो लोग क्रैश हो जाएंगे आसमान में. अगर कोई तेज़ी से उड़ता हुआ बर्ड आएगा और अगर ये उसकी स्पीड नहीं रिकग्नाइज कर पाया तो वो दोनों आपस में क्रैश हो सकते हैं. जस्ट लाइक जैसे दो कार क्रैश हो जाती हैं कभी कभी, है ना. तेज़ स्पीड में आ रहा, हम अगर उसकी स्पीड को नहीं फाइंड आउट कर पाए तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम आपस में क्रैश हो जाते हैं, हमारी कार्स. इन द सेम वे birds can also crash, but eagle's eye is helping it to find the distance and speed of other birds, then only they cannot crash with each other. A bird's eyesight is very important for its senses, बच्चे. Most of the birds have an idea about the colors or ability to notice the color, which help them to find their flocks. Flocks means their group of birds. ठीक है? Then only they can identify whether it is their own group or any other bird's group. In reptiles also, बच्चे, eyes are playing an important role. These reptiles are having eyes on their head, which help them to facilitate binocular vision. What do you mean by binocular vision? It means their eyes are allowing good perception of depth, or their vision using two eyes with overlapping field of view. Means they are both eyes which is on their head. आप ऊपर अलग से निकली हुई उनकी आंखें देखते हो, ये उनको हेल्प करता है to make one view. Next is sense of touch, which I will teach you in next video. Thank you.